How to get Google Photos in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection in order to download the app. Now, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Google Photos. Further, tap on the Google Photos option you see there, and now if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud-like icon. So tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, then you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once completed, tap on the Open option you see there, and you will then be required to give permissions to the application. So go ahead and do that, and further sign yourself in and use the application further. So this is how you can get Google Photos on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.